Ideal grass cutting height. Healthy lush green grass creates great-looking lawns. Correctly caring for the lawn creates the desired healthy grass, and part of proper care involves mowing the grass to the ideal grass cutting height. Season as first cut. When the weather warms up, and the grass starts growing, the first mowing of the season should be done. The first mowing should cut the grass lower than the ideal cutting height. This helps to remove debris and other accumulation that gathered over the winter months. Normal cutting height. The height of the grass should be cut to depends on the type of grass growing in the yard. According to the County of Los Angeles county-wide smart gardening program, hybrid Bermuda and seashore paspalum grasses should be cut to only of an inch. Common Bermuda and St. Augustine grasses do best when cut to 1 inch. Buffalo grass, fescue and ryegrass should be cut to 2 inches. How much to cut? When mowing grass, no more than 1/3 of the total grass height should be cut. By cutting no more than this amount, the grass will be less likely to go into shock.